Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Compact Router, delivering full corded performance with fast, accurate depth adjustments and the runtime to complete 250 feet of 3/8-inch roundover cuts on a single charge. The new M18 Fuel Compact Router comes equipped with a Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. When paired with the Red Lithium M18 XC 5.0 battery pack, the router is able to generate 1.25 horsepower. Achieve fast, accurate adjustments by utilizing the secure macro adjust button and accurate micro adjust dial to set up for the perfect cut. The M18 Fuel Compact Router is compatible with the new plunge base and offset base accessories. Experience the power and accuracy of the M18 Fuel Compact Router with corded performance, fast, accurate depth adjustments, and the runtime to cut up to 250 feet per charge.
Gear Wrench changes the game on torque applications with the 120 XP micrometer torque wrench. The revolutionary 120 XP head ratchets 3 degrees. That's 120 clicks in a full rotation. Small moves, big results. The signature low-profile design gets in where other wrenches can't. Now, access in tight spaces is practically unlimited. The 120 XP is tested and certified to hit the mark every time. The high-definition scale makes calibration fast and easy to read. Like all gear wrench tools, this wrench is made to take it on. The all-steel shaft and head gives strength to crank down hard, while the aluminum knurled handle and beveled end keep your grip secure. On the go or in the shop, the 120 XP stays protected and organized in a rugged custom-molded case with removable lid.
Jungle. One tool will single-handedly change the way you measure. The new 2-in-1 laser tape measure from General Tools. Measuring with 2 hands and 2 people is too much trouble. With the push of a button, the laser precisely measures up to 50 feet with 1 hand, and the tape handles all your smaller measurements. The laser tape measure from General Tools. So you can measure everything faster.
Do you need more storage space in your home? Maximize the space above you with an attic ladder from Louisville Ladder. Our Elite Series aluminum attic ladder comes fully assembled and ready to install. The new Elite Series attic ladder is available in 2 widths, 22.5 inches in the AA2210 model and 25.5 inches in the AA2510 model. It has a load capacity of 375 pounds, and it accommodates ceiling heights from 7 feet 8 inches up to 10 feet 3 inches. The 22.5 inch by 54 inch rough opening of the AA2210 allows for installation between standard 24 inch on-center ceiling joists, and the wider AA2510 requires a 25.5 inch by 54 inch rough opening. Other features include slip-resistant steps and adjustable shoes. With the included installation kit, it is easy to install. The Elite Series aluminum attic ladder from Louisville Ladder.
Professional mountain bike rider and trail boss. I'm here to tell you about the Feedback Sports Range Torque Ratchet. The Range offers independent ratcheting and torque capabilities together in one convenient tool. Feedback Sports started with the reliability of a flex bar torque wrench, but added a modern take on the housing. This allows you to easily and precisely install, adjust, or remove components without having to reach for a second tool. All Feedback Sports products are designed with durability, portability, and functionality in mind. You'll see that the Range fits right in. It's got their signature red anodized aluminum body curved at the ends for comfort. The Range includes 14 common bits, ranging from 2 to 8 millimeter hex, T10 and T30 torques. Each bit is made of premium S2 steel for superior durability and has been stamped with the size to easily identify it. The ultra-compact molded foam case features a comfortable rubber-coated zipper pull. When opened, it lies flat for a hassle-free experience. Inside, you'll find die-cut labeled inserts, making the bits easy to grab and pop back into place. Once zipped up, the entire adorable case fits into the palm of your hand, your back pocket, or tucked into a shop apron. Let's put the range to work. Unlike most torque wrenches, you don't have to baby this product. You can use the red body just as you would any other torque ratchet, but when you need a specific torque setting, you just apply pressure to the bar and read the clearly marked display. The range was also designed to be recalibrated on the fly, ensuring a precise level of accuracy with every use. If you're into bike maintenance, you'll find the Feedback Sports range will quickly become an invaluable tool at home, at the bike shop, or on the road.
That's the sound of work getting done. Introducing the Flexzilla series of blowguns and accessories. It all starts with ergonomically designed air gun bodies built with pro-grade features. Constructed of lightweight but durable aircraft-grade aluminum. Ported design delivers maximum airflow. And the variable flow trigger gives you precise control. Flexzilla blowguns use silicone-free lubricant, virtually eliminating contamination of painted surfaces. Add a wide variety of nozzles, tips, and extensions to customize your Flexzilla blowgun for any job. All Flexzilla safety nozzles meet or exceed OSHA standards for pressure relief. And our Quiet Flow safety nozzle goes one step further to also meet noise standards. The Extreme Flow and Tri-Thrust safety nozzles are both designed to amplify airflow. Our rubber tip won't mar surfaces and delivers a concentrated flow of air for blowing out hoses and lines and other general uses. A 5-piece tip adapter kit is also available. Our modular accessory system lets you combine either 12-inch or 6-inch extensions for hard-to-reach areas up to 6 feet away. Our extensions hand tighten securely with built-in O-rings and break down just as quickly for easy storage and transport. No more having to figure out where to store a long extension. With the chip guard installed, you're protected from debris blowback. Using Flexzilla Pro air hose and high flow fittings with twice the airflow of standard couplers and plugs gets the most out of this air system. Move more air in your garage and shop with Flexzilla blowguns and accessories.
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Hacksaw, cordless one-handed recip saw, a new breed of reciprocating saw designed to be operated with one hand and cut a wide range of material. From PVC, EMT, and steel rod to sheet metal, drywall, plywood, and OSB. The M18 Hacksaw packs all the power and runtime to handle the toughest cutting job, yet it's small enough to maneuver in tight, confined spaces. This tool offers superior balance and control over a standard reciprocating saw. This results in faster, easier, more accurate one-handed cuts. This compact recip saw features the lowest vibration in the industry, while delivering up to 330 cuts of PVC on a single charge. The Quick Lock blade clamp guarantees fast, efficient blade changes. No other cordless saw delivers as much power and versatility for professional one-handed applications. The Milwaukee M18 Hacksaw, cordless one-handed recip saw, powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM.